James David Ma channel, YouTube.
I'll subscribe.
All right. I'm James Ma, Matheson, Matheson. Yes, I'm ready to play ice hockey in this whole video, no lie. If I'm lying, sue my ass. If I'm lying, Markham's eggs turn black and fall off. I'm not lying. If I'm lying, I'll collapse now. But I'm not lying. Today's Wednesday, February 12th, 2025. Yes, it's really me playing ice hockey in this whole video, no lie. The time says 11:57 a.m., but it's really fast, an hour faster. The real time, Riverville Park East, and here in Toronto, is around 10:58 a.m. Time's wrong, but it proves I'm really here. Riverville Park East. Happy Chinese New Year. Stealthy. Drink water. I'm 100% Chinese, 100% Canadian. Born in Manitoba.